Hi, I'm personal injury lawyer Dave Abels. There's several factors that can be used in determining whether or not you have a good personal injury claim, and many different variables are involved in every case, but today I'm going to briefly touch on four major factors that affect a personal injury case. The first factor is liability. Who's at fault for an accident? And if the case is easy to figure out, that makes for a better injury case, and if it's tough, that makes a case harder. For example, in an auto accident, if you get rear-ended, you're just sitting at a red light minding your own business and someone slams into the back of you, well, that's a good case. If you're going through a green light and someone slams into you and the police show up and you tell the police officer, I had a green light and he hit me, and then the other driver says, no, I had the green light and he hit me, well, you have a he said, she said situation there, and that makes for a difficult personal injury case. The next factor to look at is damages. How serious are your injuries? The more serious they are, the more valuable your case will be. Another factor that can determine whether or not you have a good case is insurance. Sometimes the insurance company on the other side is a good company, sometimes it's middle of the road, and sometimes it's just a lousy insurance company. And then on top of that, sometimes life's not fair. Two people might be involved in two identical accidents and they both sustain very serious injuries, and in the first accident the defendant has $1 million in coverage, and in the second accident there is only $20,000 in coverage. So again, the insurance involved can definitely affect the value of your case. The final factor that I'm going to talk about that can affect the value of your personal injury case is venue. Where did the accident occur? A case that occurs in Illinois in Cook County, well, that's typically going to be more valuable than the exact same case that occurred, say, somewhere in downstate Illinois, where juries and jury verdicts may be much more conservative. As I said before, there are many factors that go into determining whether or not you have a good personal injury case, and I just touched on a few of them today. If you've been seriously injured in an accident and you want to talk about your case in more detail, give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you and give you a free consultation.